Ever heard of rolling settlements in trading? That's how your trade gets settled over a successive day. Like if you buy shares on Monday, in T+1 cycle, you'll get them on Tuesday. The SEBI's game changer. T+0 Settlement Cycle, settling trades on same day. Launching in beta with 25 scripts, making trading faster than ever. Immediate trade execution and settlement. Yes please, welcome to T+0. React instantly to market changes, optimize strategies and manage your investments better. Eligible for T+0, all investors who can meet the requirements are in. Trading window from 9:15 am to 1:30 pm, ready, set, trade. Unique price bands, no netting and obligations, T+0 is setting new rules. Have any questions? SEBI's got you covered with their guidelines and FAQs on their website. Stay updated with latest on T+0 and be a part of trading evolution.